Hello friends. So I just got back from market today. We were at the West Shore Marina District. Beautiful event as always. Cool people, cool vendors. I met lots of people, and that's always like my favorite part. And what's even better is today I was able to help some people flip their view on thinking that they could not grow their own food. Man, I cannot say I'm proud of today enough because I turned some people's eyes. I'm on a mission. If you didn't already figure out, you're supposed to grow your own stuff. It's normal. It's normal to do this. You should be doing it. And I want to help you do it because the knowledge was stolen from you. It's not fair, but that doesn't mean you can't just start now. One of the things I want to talk about today, because it came up twice from two different customers, is they all came up and they said, but I want to grow organic. Yeah, man, that's cool. But the thing to know about that is, number one, and I'm going to do, I already decided, a long form video on that horrible word. But the thing to know about organic is that it's hard. It's an advanced set of farming techniques. It's not easy. And I can set off right off the bat. One thing in particular I can talk on right off the bat is, organic fertilizers. They're cool. There's nothing wrong with them. But the thing that always gets left out, especially by the organic police, most of which, by the way, don't even grow their own shit, which is why you shouldn't listen to them. However, the thing that people always talk about is, oh, it's not organic fertilizer, you're poisoning yourself, or some garbage like that. And this is false. Actually, the thing about organic fertilizers is they take time to break down, all right? That's a fact that people just leave out. And if you don't understand that, you're gonna have problems. So for instance, you have say you have a really good organic fertilizer you bought. It was probably, first of all, pretty expensive. And number two, so it had blood meal, it had some bone meal, it had some feather meal, some crushed up eggshell, all that good shit, back guano, ooh, that's really good stuff. All this is really good stuff. However, what they leave out is that stuff's not bioavailable yet because it's in its normal form. It's in its prime basic form, which means it's not bioavailable. It's not nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, micronutrients. It's not that. It's the form of that before it gets broken down by the various naturally occurring chemical processes that happen throughout all of nature, which is why I often say it's all organic and it's all chemicals. That's the real truth of it. That's the science of it. Again, I'm going to go off in that on a lot deeper level soon. But what I would say to everyone and anyone who's getting on this journey is you have to crawl before you run. Okay? Organic farming techniques are not crawling, they're running. And that the one I just went over is just one reason. Then there's a lot of other stuff that gets into it. Pest control, much harder to navigate. All these things, okay? And I want you to succeed. So what I'm going to tell you right now is just use the 10-10-10. Use whatever you can get at Lowe's or Home, whatever. Because number one, it's going to be inexpensive, and number two, it's going to work for you, and it's going to make it easy. You're going to get tomatoes. You're going to get a big head of lettuce. You're going to get whatever it is. You're going to get yield. Because here's what happens. If you don't, even if you get some yield, it's not going to be a lot. And this is how you end up with, I planted this tree and now I got 4 $56 tomatoes. That's not the assignment, folks. It's not. And no one wants that. So use the 10-10-10. Don't listen to those organic police. They're full of shit. They don't want you to succeed. They don't care if you succeed. They're just feeding their ego. And like I said, very few of them either growing their own shit. And here, I'm gonna, I don't know if you can see behind me. I'm gonna let you see my little mess. And it's a fucking mess. And I'm letting you see the mess because I want you to also know it's okay if it's a mess. It's okay what it looks like as long as it's getting something. Because listen, that's a fucking mess. I know it. But that's my bok choy. These are all my tomatoes and peppers. That's my kale. Okay? All right? These are my crops. Some of them have organic fertilizer in them, some of them don't. Doesn't matter. It depends crop to crop. I want my fucking vegetables. Oh, sorry. I dropped too many F-bombs. I'll get better at that. But hey, I want my vegetables. And there's no point in making this hard for you when you're just starting. So please, 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 don't listen to those people, okay? Make it easy. Succeed. In fact, I'm going to give you some homework. Sometime today or tomorrow, as soon as you can, buy a bag of seeds. I don't care if they're organic. I don't care what they are. I don't care. Buy some seeds. Drop in the comments what kind of seeds they are, and I'm going to tell you how to grow them. I'm going to tell you the real dirt. I'm going to tell you exactly how to get it. tell you the best news and the bad news. I'm gonna tell you everything you want to know about it, and we'll grow it together. It'll be fun, and it'll get you started, because listen, what's more important than anything is starting. You've got to start, okay? I will give you a little recommendation. Lettuce would be the first thing to start with if you're gonna do this. But do this challenge for me, I dare you. Put in the comment below, I got me some red sales lettuce. What the hell do I do next? And I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do. It's gonna be fun. Till next time, I think next time will probably be Hyde Park, the flagship, the finest market in all of Tampa Bay. If you haven't been to that event yet, man, you're missing a lot of fun. And this is gonna be a huge one. The December market is always mad. I hope to see you then, and happy gardening.